Okay, in today's lecture I'm going to give you a quick introduction of MS Word application. So this is the application in front of you. To create a new document, just go and you can just click on this blank document, or what you can do is you can just go for any of these templates. See, if you're going to use a blank document, you just have to click on it and a blank document would be in front of you, right? And now if you want to go back to your home page, what you have to do is from here all you will be clicking is a new tab. In the info tab you'll be getting all the information about the different sort of information that is provided about the software in this application. So this page would be consisting about the protect document, check for issues and manage versions document and all the details of the application. And now in your new tab you have all the templates as well as an option to create a blank document. Okay, and like for example, if you want to select any one of the template to use, what you would be doing is, suppose I want to use this, I'm going to simply click on it and a similar template would be in front of me. I can just work on this and just create nice looking documents. Okay, so again I can just go for a new, can select any of the template, or I can just go for a blank one. Then I have open. From here I can just open my recent documents. Recent documents means the documents which I have recently created. Okay, so इसमें क्या होता है, आपका जो इन्फो टैब है, इन्फो टैब में तो आपको जो है इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दी सॉफ्टवेयर मिल जाएगा. न्यू टैब में आपको जो है न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करने का ऑप्शन मिलता है, जिसमें आपके पास टेम्पलेट रहते हैं. टेम्पलेट होते हैं पहले से ही क्रिएट करे हुए कुछ फाइल्स जो आप फर्दर अपने यूज में ला सकते हैं. देन यू हैव योर ओपन. ओपन टैब में आप अपना कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट जो आपने पहले क्रिएट करा हो वो ओपन कर सकते हैं. सेव में आप जो है अपना कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट को सेव कर सकते हैं. इधर ऑप्शन होता है आपका डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर का एक्सेस करने के लिए, या फिर आपका डॉक्यूमेंट फोल्डर एक्सेस करने के लिए. देन यू हैव योर ब्राउजर. ब्राउज क्या करता है, आपको लोकेशन फाइंड करने में हेल्प कर सकता है कि आपको किस लोकेशन में कंप्यूटर पे अपना फाइल को सेव करना है. ऐड अ प्लेस, यहाँ पे अगर आप ऐड अ प्लेस करते हैं तो फिर ये आपसे पूछ रहा है कि यू वांट टू सेव इट इन योर ड्राइव और वन ड्राइव फॉर बिजनेस. ये दोनों इससे कनेक्टेड रहते हैं, उसके लिए आपको इंटरनेट कनेक्शन अवेलेबल होना चाहिए आपके कंप्यूटर में. ठीक है, वन ड्राइव आप यहाँ से साइन इन कर सकते हैं वन ड्राइव में, और आपका डॉक्यूमेंट जो है सेव हो जाएगा वहाँ. देन प्रिंट का ऑप्शन, यहाँ पे आपका प्रिंट के सारे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. आप इस ऑप्शन को यूज़ करके अपना डॉक्यूमेंट जो है प्रिंट करा सकते हैं. शेयर, आप अपना डॉक्यूमेंट यहाँ से शेयर कर सकते हैं. आप यहाँ पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं इनवाइट पीपल पे, तो आपका शेयर डॉक्यूमेंट जो है पीपल इनवाइट हो जाएंगे. आपके पास इनवाइट का ऑप्शन होता है. ईमेल का ऑप्शन होता है, आपको किस तरीके से ईमेल करना है, एज PDF, EPS, या फिर आपको एज अटैचमेंट सेंड करना है. देन ऑनलाइन आपको डॉक्यूमेंट कहीं सेंड करना है, या आपको कोई क्रिएट करना है लिंक किसी वेबसाइट पे, और या फिर आपको एक ब्लॉग पोस्ट बनाना है. देन यू हैव एक्सपोर्ट आपका PDF में आप एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं अपना वर्ड का फाइल, या फिर EPS फाइल बना सकते हैं, या आपका उसका चेंज टाइप कर सकते हैं. बेसिकली चेंज टाइप मतलब एक्सटेंशन चेंज करना. डॉक या docx आपका एक्सटेंशन होता है वर्ड का. और यू हैव क्लोज क्या करता है, आपका जो फाइल है जो आपने अभी ओपन कर रखी है उसको क्लोज कर देता है. सो अभी मैं इसको कहती हूँ डोंट सेव, तो उसने रिसेंट डॉक्यूमेंट मेरा क्लोज कर दिया था जो कि टेम्पलेट वाला था। अब यहाँ पे जो है मैं इसको भी क्लोज कर दूंगी। आई वॉन्ट अ न्यू फाइल, आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू my new and I'm going to create a new file. So you can see I have a new document in front of me, and today this is just an introduction about the application. So I'm going to tell you about this complete tools that we have over here that we can use to create our document. Now I have these tabs. File tab is to create a new file. Home tab consists of all these options. You have your clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing options over here. In your insert tab you have your pages to insert page, tables to insert table. Illustration would consist of all the shapes and all. See, if you're going to click onto these shapes, you will get all the different sort of shapes that are present here. You can just pick any of them and just use it in your document. Then you have your smart art. Smart arts are these sort of shapes that you can use to create any flow for your project. These are all different types of charts present here. So if you want to make a pyramid, you can just select it and you can just use it in your document. Okay, and you can obviously change the way it looks, right? Then you have, I'm going to just close it, and in your design I'm just going to remove this pyramid also. I'm going to select it and I'm going to just delete it, right? Again, I'm in my insert tab. I can use the shapes, or I can just take a quick snapshot. Is just the screenshot of the complete document, and to store I can just store it in the office store or into an app that I want to store this document into, or I can just publish it on Wikipedia. But for these things I should be needing the logins for the particular website. Then I have hyperlink. I can create any hyperlink, bookmark, and so many things. So these are some of the groups which are present in your insert tab. To insert it in your document, you can just add header and footer, number of pages as well. Then you have your designs, what sort of design you'll be working with. So you can just select any of this, and similar type of heading would be available in this document to be used. Okay, then in the design tab also you have colors and font, paragraph, spacing, and so many things. You can also add watermarks. Okay, I'm going to tell you what does this mean one by one. And then you have your page layout. You can just change the layout of the page from here. The groups that you have is your page setup, paragraph, and the arrange. Then you have references. You have table of content, footer notes, and so many different groups are here. You have your mailing. Mailings have to create a mail, send a mail, and so many other options. Review also have different groups which you can use, and here is your view and office tab. Now what I'm going to show is what I wanted to tell you exactly in this first introductory part of this application is this top part is called your menu bar. Okay, you have got all these menus, right? Then this part is your title bar. This is your quick access toolbar, and when you are inside any tab you get these groups named as illustration, maps, media, links, comment. These are all different types of groups in all the tabs. You have it in all the tabs. These are the groups. And what about the ribbon? This complete thing, this from here to here, is called the ribbon. You have the ribbon in all the tabs. So this top part is the ribbon. Okay, now over here you have this small square box type icon. Just click on this and you can just open the dialog box for the particular group, right? Like I've clicked for font and I'm getting a dialog box for the particular group. Then I'm clicking on paragraph, I'll be getting the dialog box. Dialog box means the window for the particular group. If I'll go on my styles, I'll click it and I'll get the particular dialog box for the style as well. Similarly, if I'll just go to my page layout, and over here if I'm going to click on this page setup, I have this dialog box, right? So these are the dialog boxes for the particular group. And then you have your status bar at the bottom. Here you have your number of page. If you're creating number of pages, the number would be displayed over here, right? And suppose you want to add a cover page, so you can just click on it and see the number of pages has changed from pages of 1 of 2. I'm on page 1, that is your cover page, and I'm going to go to my page 2, so it's showing now 2 of 2. I'm going to my page 1, so now it is 1 of 2, right? And it is also going to show you number of words and what you're writing on the which language you are using on your document. Okay, you can just change the language by clicking over here. I'm going to select my English and it will be here. Okay, and you can just zoom in and zoom out your document from here using this slider. Okay, and if you want to see a web layout, I'm simply going to click over here. I have the web layout. If you want a print layout, I'm going to select this and I'm getting the print layout. And for read mode, I'm simply going to select this and I've got the read mode. Okay, so I'm going to go to my document again, and this was a quick overview of the application. We are going to do more of the practical work for today's session. This was the practical work about the introductory part of the application, and from here you can just minimize your application from here. You can maximize it from here and just close it from here, right? This part over here is the ribbon display option. You can just click it and you can automatically hide the ribbon. Right, and then you can only use the show tab option to just see the tabs from the menu. Then you have show tabs and commands. This is the show tabs and commands. Okay, and if you are going to click on this question mark, this is the help option for the application. You can get the help by clicking on this. You are going to get this document. You just have to get the internet connection to see the complete document. So this was the introduction to your MS Office, and we are going to do more of similar types of practical work in a further session. For today, all you have to do is go through this introductory video and just complete your question answer I have provided you in the previous lessons, and send the work to me. Now I'll see you in the next session.